This is a battery charging test. I have a lithium polymer 4.2 volt battery hooked up here. This thing's about 8 years old and I have no idea what the state of charge is. I've set up the green channel to be 0.2 amps maximum and 4.2 volts maximum. I need to go and set up the data logger. We're going to go into properties, turn off channel 1. You want to turn on the current in channel 2. Turn off channel 3. I also want to set some timing. So it's recording 5 seconds per division on its screen. That's okay with me. Duration, this could charge for several hours, but I'm only going to run it for a couple of minutes. Just set this to 2 minutes. And 0 seconds. And it'll start when we hit the run stop button. Which I'll do now, and then I'll switch over and turn on the power supply. And we can see it's at 3.9 volts and it's taking a full 0.2 amps, but it wasn't all that discharged. This battery lasted very well, 8 years, and it's still at its nominal 3.9 volts. It can be charged up to 4.2, but it's actually a nominal 3.9 volt battery. It's already increased its voltage to 4.0. And what I expect to happen is, as it approaches 4.2 volts, the current will drop off. It'll go into constant voltage and the current will tail off as it completes its charge. So it can automatically charge lithium batteries with a nice charging cycle where it starts out as constant current and ends up at constant voltage. Okay, I switched back to the data logger screen and I hit the auto scale button, and you can see the voltage is climbing over time as it charges up the battery. And this stair stepping is because it's auto scaled to a very fine voltage increment. It's just one count on the accurate A to D in each cycle approximately, but that's why it's stair stepping. It auto scaled it right down to the individual counts on the A to D. Now to save it, we just go into properties, hit the file selection and export the file, export, and it saves it to the USB stick here. This power supply allows full control over a lithium battery charging cycle, and it can log the voltage and current over the whole cycle. It's very nice to be able to automate such a boring process.